Like, guys, I never planned for vlog, but I'm in the supermarkets and I had to. I want to show you how much for the liquid soap that we wash with. Hold on. Now this is ridiculous though. I don't normally say them thing, but this is crazy. This is saying 2,000 for a liquor bottle here. This is allegedly get 32 loads, 1.3 liter. No, crazy. And the tide is for 1,000. That's like $17. $20. My liquor bottle, yeah. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel, like literally. But then there's Ariel. I could buy Ariel. $800. Yes. Oh, that's crazy. Hi, you're giving away something free? Offer free? Is that it? No. Fair enough. Yeah, so oh, here you are. Guys, we're on our way to St. Elizabeth. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, we're outside. It be raining, but that not flop the show. Of course, you know, if you're gonna go to St. Elizabeth, you have to do the right thing, and that is, let me hear it. Yes, stop a juicy beef and buy a patty. So oh my gosh. So right now we're at the toll, and then we're gonna go at the, I never remember to two toll up on the road here, guys. Honestly, why we gotta pay so much money to travel in Jamaica? Listen, I'm gonna talk to Andrew. It can't continue. So we're gonna. That's right. How rude. I'm gonna try cutting Pawi. Bloody hell. So yeah, so we're gonna stop at Juicy Beef and get patty. I'm really hungry, guys. And of course, you're gonna come and see what I get. I feel like I'm gonna even buy enough things I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy a patty. Travel partner. I'm gonna buy a patty. I'm gonna buy chicken. I'm gonna buy fries. What else you gonna buy, Alan?
I don't know.
Whoa! I throw a lot.
I'm going to go back to the my mama's calling me.
Alright. Meanwhile. Hi, morning. 1 second. Wait, do you guys still have porridge? Have chicken?
It's breakfast, right?
That's the morning.
So just this is like all the TikTok videos you see.
Oh yeah.
Have porridge? No, that the finish. You have chicken? No, that not ready yet. Okay, what is there?
Oh.
Maybe we got another one then.
No. Right. 5 minutes.
But it's not ready.
5 minutes.
Oh.
Cheese patty and I want pork for bread.
The mega beef, cheese patty, cocoa bread. I'll take a chicken cheese patty with a cocoa bread. Guys, I bought a chicken cheese patty. I've heard so much about this. I'm so excited to try it. I'm so hungry. So I don't know what we can do. I think mother just start that person. Yeah, and then keep everybody else to follow. Cause mothers follow spotty big one, the scene, let this cheese, tomato, red bone, and that's the cheese. Right, so when I put the flight, I say, well, time to go home and eat. When I put the flight, And it's so hard to find the river in this footage.
If you come right from me there.
Nature. People, we just eat down some flour dumpling, some caramel dumpling, and 2 big banana, big like my head. And oh, there's a pathway. You wanna go the pathway?
You're mad? I wouldn't know what was done.
That's okay. And so now, let's take a look at walk to see if we can walk off the food. Boy, guys, it is alleged that there are crocs in this water. Look on the goat them. Who rich so? Meh. What first says that? Guys, with the Murray's. We'll grab something quick, eat some jerk sausage and jerk pork and jerk. It's open, I know. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Today we are still in Jamaica. We're still hot, but our skin is glowing, and I'm gonna get my hair done. So stay tuned. Guys, we're on our way down to Ochi, well, to Mobe. I will stop by Tasties out by Angels just to grab some food because, yeah, can't travel without food. So we're gonna go get breakfast. It's like 9:40, so it's pretty early. But it's on my belly. Guys, I can tell that I put on a little weight since I've been here. I'm not cute. That ain't cute at all. But we move. So guys, we were trying to get breakfast, but there's no breakfast. So we got patty. It's our second time having Tasties patty, because we've been having a lot of juicy beef patty. Yeah. So let's go. So finally find a jelly man. Hi. How much for the jelly?
Yo, bad.
Yeah. What a roast yam sell with? Them have the roast yam with the pork. Them have the roast yam with the pork. Yeah, you first buy one. I know so we ever eat food, but you know so they not get that kind of food at Dongley. The normally out on Friday to the jerk pork?
Likewise, every day.
Alright. The jelly. 2.
Grand.
guys, so we've arrived. It's pretty sunny, which is good. And of course I'll show you a tour of the property and the room and stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna check in. I still have a room. So stay tuned. Yeah, so sweet. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Alright, so my peeps, my side, we already check in. So we're just waiting on our rooms to be ready. So we'll just come and we'll grab lunch. And I have a whole lot of happening on my plate. So yeah, we're gonna eat this. No vegetable on the plate, but later. So my champagne just came. Well, I don't know. Maybe when me sweet is not sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
This is just good. Pepper steak here. What's in? Nice.
Steak.
It's gonna be. Do it, whatever. Whatever you give me, I'm good with. What you want?
Me? Just something strong. Or you can do two of them and try it. I'm putting like
I didn't even put in anything. I just pressed it. Alright guys, so I got my first official welcome drink, if you can call it. It's the Jamaican sunrise. No,
that's so
pretty. So beautiful. Cheers to vacation. Cheers to anniversary. Cheers to life. Yummy. Ah, nice. So guys, this is our room.